In a rapid-fire tour of history's oddest breakthroughs, this shorts dives into electric corsets and anti-snore helmets with gleeful curiosity. Electric corsets promised to boost posture and confidence by delivering gentle shocks. They were marketed as fashionable wellness devices. Anti-snore helmets, bizarre as they sound, aim to dampen nocturnal rumble through strange vents and muffled brims. Beyond these, forgotten patents reveal clever hacks like wind-powered radios and clockwork alarms that predated practical wearables. Each invention crackles with imagination, reminding us that innovation often dances between genius and whimsy in the march of progress.